Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Measure Tones Institute of Quran. Let's get started right away. Bismillah. First combination of letters. Ba, Noon, Noon. Ta, Ya, Noon. Ya, Ta, Noon. Tha, Tha, Noon. Jim, Ha, Kha, Ha, Tha. Notice I'm putting my tongue between my teeth when I say tha. Kha, ba. Jim, ta. Ta, ha, ta. Ya, jim, ba. And that is it. That is all for this lesson, for this part of this lesson anyway. Inshallah, until the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Mm-hmm.